Welcome back with another video, guys. This is week 4 of our calisthenics transformation series. Today's workout is for intermediate and advanced level guys. So first moving on to the upper body workout. For upper body you guys have to perform 10 push-ups with 4 seconds time in contraction. Make sure that you are taking 4 seconds to go downward and 4 seconds to come upward. Down. This way you have to perform your push-ups. Now, second exercise is scapula push-ups. Move your scapula only. This, go down, and then up, down, up. Make sure that your elbows are straight. They are not bending like this. Do not bend your elbows. The third one is diamond push-ups. You have to make diamond with your palms like this, and then push-ups. Down, up, down, up. You have to perform 3 sets of every exercise. This is your upper body workout for week 4, guys. Now moving on to the lower body workout. In lower body you have to perform 15 jumping squats. Now how to perform jumping squats? Take 2 seconds time to go down, then touch your opposite toe with your knee, and then move up and then jump. Down, jump, down. Now moving on to lunges. 15 lunges with 3 seconds time of contraction in each motion and each lunge. Take 3 seconds to go down and then 3 seconds to move up, down, third workout is 15 crunch. Both your hands straight, your legs stable, and when you move up, you have to breathe out when you go up and breathe in when you come down. Do not go beyond this point. That's it. Do not do like this. You don't need to go full. Come up to this point, hold, then go down. Come again, breathe out, and then hold it here, down. Fourth one is 15 leg raises. Lie down straight on the floor and then raise your legs. And when you raise them up, you will breathe out. When legs go down, you have to breathe in. You can place your hands below your pelvis area. If you are not feeling comfortable in this, you can place them right here and then perform. After that, last but not the least, 15 seconds wall sit hold. You have to take the support of the wall with your back and then move down. Make sure that the angle between your calves and your hamstrings is 90 degree, and then take the support of a wall and raise your hands like this and hold this position. So that's it for week 4, guys. This is all your upper body and lower body workout. A lot of good content is about to come, guys, so make sure that you have subscribed my channel and like my videos. That's it from my side. This is Rohit Kumar signing off. Till next time.